Alright, I got the little metal piece off without actually damaging it or anything, as far as I can see. But they actually cleaned it out with the some solvent in it. It's a lot better. It's not perfect, but I don't want to have to take the caps off and then put it in the oven. So somebody has told me. I think my wife would probably want to kill me. It's what the inside looks like. Still gotta do the bottom one. And it had that little rubber seal on it right here. So that's cool. And I pulled it off with this. Yeah. And there's the fork. So the bottom one's probably going to be a lot better once I get that one off. Now I got to put it on and hopefully fix my cable that I dropped. And now it's all loose and messed up. Alright, that's that.